Oh my God, holy smokes. Welcome to 5 Carroll Street and welcome to one of Whitby's most exclusive neighborhoods. This executive style 3,000 square foot home is located on a big pool-sized lot, 50 by 120 feet. It's got a main floor office, beautiful open concept family room, kitchen. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, huge master bedroom. I'm telling you, you'll love this house and you'll love this neighborhood. Let's go take a look. Thanks again for watching. If you would like any more information about this house or any other home you've seen, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm John Cahias, real estate agent extraordinaire. Till next time.